customer had a rotten egg smell coming from their natural gas water heater. So what we did was we did a leak detection on the entire gas system next to the water heater, which we did find a small leak on it. One thing why you really want to make sure you take care of gas leaks right away is because the natural gas that comes out of those lines can not only displace the oxygen and cause asphyxiation, if it will cause carbon monoxide poisoning and can very well kill you. And worst case scenario, if there's some kind of spark or any kind of ignition source near that and it catches fire, it very well could burn your entire house down. So if you believe you have a gas leak in your home, give us a call here at Patriotic Plumbing and Rooter. We service Phoenix and all surrounding areas in the valley. Go ahead and give this number a call right here.